If you've been looking for a lightweight and portable Bluetooth mouse you can keep paired to multiple devices, check out the Satechi EX mouse. This uses Bluetooth, but it also has a USB-C dongle in the bottom of it, and it's incredibly fast to switch from one device to the next. Before we go any further, I do want to say Satechi sent me this mouse for free to review. I've got no input in this content. This is my thoughts on this mouse, who I think this is for, and if I think you should get a different mouse instead. Got this out of the box, I was pretty surprised at how lightweight and slim it is. It does have a rechargeable battery built in as well. You've got your USB-C port on the front of it, so you can still use it even while it's plugged in. You can change devices just by pressing the button on the bottom, and if you want to put it in pairing mode, just press and hold the button, and then the light will start to blink quickly to show you that it's now in pairing mode. Then go on your computer or your iPad, go to settings, Bluetooth settings, find the EX mouse and click pair, then you're ready to go. It's also got the USB-C dongle, which is stored in the bottom of it. And what's cool about this is it's always ready for you if you want to use it with the 2.4 gigahertz connection. And there's also a user replaceable battery on the bottom too, which is nice because you have the benefit of being able to recharge this while also still being able to get a new battery if this ever quits working on you. There's also an off-on switch on the bottom. On top of the mouse, you've got left and right click. And what I like about this mouse is it's super quiet. So I don't notice any volume out of the scrolling, and the clicking is also barely noticeable. It's a low and quiet sound, which I really appreciate in a mouse because you get a little bit of feedback without getting annoyed by the sound of the clicking. You can also press in on the scroll wheel. Unlike some of the Logitech mouses though, there's no software for this, so the only thing you can customize is using your actual computer settings and going to your pointer speed and sensitivity. Other than that, there's no other customization with this or custom macros that you can set up with it. So this is a pretty simple and minimal mouse. It's very slim, so it does keep your hand kind of low to the ground with it. But what I think this mouse is really designed for is someone who wants something that's lightweight and portable, or if you want to be going back and forth from typing to the mouse very quickly because this is so small and lightweight. I would say it's got a very similar angle to the Apple Magic Mouse, but this one's a little bit more comfortable than the Magic Mouse because the edges are rounded over a little bit more. Satechi also has a couple of other mouses. It's kind of the successor to the older M1 mouse. This gives you the ability to pair it to multiple devices. They also just put out the on-the-go mouse, which has a leather top. You can get this in a couple of different colors. This one also gives a sensitivity button, which can speed up or slow down the mouse depending on how that's set, but this one doesn't have a dongle with it. It just has 3 different Bluetooth connections on it. So if you want more Bluetooth connections, you might get the on-the-go mouse instead. But I found these both to be pretty similar in terms of actual comfort, although the on-the-go does lift your hand up a little bit more. I don't know if I would recommend this for all-day precision use though. I would probably go for something more like the Logitech MX Master 4 in that case, but this mouse is quite a bit more expensive and it's bigger, so this one's not as good for travel. The EX mouse is available in either the silver and white colorway, or you can get it in the black and space black colorway, but I do think I would have preferred to see this in a single color instead of the two-tone look. I think that might have looked a little bit nicer. But the best thing about this mouse is the fact that it's just $30, which is an amazing deal for a mouse that's rechargeable and gives you the ability to pair it to multiple devices. Overall, the EX mouse works great. It has reliable Bluetooth performance, the ability to pair it to multiple devices, and you can charge it and use it plugged in at the same time. It's a very versatile mouse. It works reliably and well. It's very smooth to move, and I had no problems with using it on a wooden surface as well as a mouse pad. The main area where I'd love to see improvement in a future version is just a mouse that's a little bit thicker and more ergonomic, so it's more comfortable to use all day long. If you're interested in buying the Satechi EX mouse, I do have links to buy in the description below. If you got any questions about it, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear them. Like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content.